Okay guys, I have learned how to set up my own whiteboard, so I'm just gonna sit on the floor in my kitchen and do it this way. Okay, so we're moving into area. First thing you need to know is the formula for area. Okay, area equals length times width. Okay, it can also be written area equals LW because you know two things side by side means they're being multiplied together. Okay, so let's give ourselves a rectangle here. Okay, so how long something is the length, obviously. And this is how wide it is. All right, so let's say that your width is 2 centimeters and your length is, it looks about double, so we'll say 4 centimeters. Okay, all you'd have to do is plug that into your formula. So you'd write your formula on the side. Remember to keep everything moving downward. So let's do area equals length times width. Area equals length is 4 centimeters. Width is 2 centimeters. Well, doesn't matter if it's capital, uppercase, lowercase, whatever. Area equals 8. And then we have to make sure we're including our units. Okay? And this is where squared comes in. 8 centimeters squared. So if someone asked you, oh, here's your information, and what is the area? You would say the area is 8 centimeters squared. Okay? Because it's not just one side. It's how much area this entire rectangle covers. Okay, so all of this, okay, all of that is 8 centimeters squared because it is square. Okay, we'll do another one just because I like writing on my windows now. Matt's gonna come home and say, what the heck are you doing? All right, so say we have this square and say we have another square over here. All right, let's say that the length, when it's a square, it doesn't matter which one's length times height. You know they're both going to be the same. So this is 6 centimeters, and so this is 6 centimeters. And then this one, we'll say the length is 3 centimeters. So then obviously if it's a square, they're equal. So this one is also 3 centimeters. The math for this one, I mean, this is where I'm trying to show you that it can be different. Okay, just because it's a square doesn't mean they're all going to be the same. It depends on the lengths and the widths. So, oh, that is a terrible color. I'm not going to use that. Let's use this one. Let's say area equals length times width. Area equals 6 times 6. Area equals 36 centimeters squared. That is your answer. So I'm actually going to change this one, and I'm going to say that it is millimeters. Okay? So this would be the same. Area equals length times width. Area equals 3 times 3. Area equals, what's 3 times 3? 9 millimeters squared. Okay, that's how you find out area. Hope that makes sense. It's that simple. I would suggest taking this down and an example in your notes, keeping that. Okay, doesn't matter, rectangles, squares, whichever. Eventually we'll move into triangles and other shapes and such, but this is the basic one you need to know.